Hey guys, welcome to my channel solum.algo, where I teach you everything there is to know about Algorand. Today we're going to be looking at an exciting new project that I just discovered. I followed them, but I guess I didn't give much thought about it because I completely forgot that I was following them, and then their tweet popped up recently and I started looking at what they're doing, and man, is it cool. And I really got to show you guys this. I unfortunately missed the early access by just a few hours probably. I don't know, but they had a very limited number of whitelist spots, and that completely blew past me. You really got to stay on top of all the new stuff going on Algorand, because you'll miss some cool stuff. But the good thing is that the project opens up on the 17th, so that's in just a few days. So expect an updated video on this project from me when this thing goes live, because it's really cool. But we're going to get into it. I'll show you guys what you can do. Here is the website. When you land here to the actual game, let's see, I'll show you guys the actual website just so you can see, like, this is their splash page, and then you can launch game here and it takes you here, and it's really easy to sign in. You hit connect, you do the whole scan wallet thing, which is real easy. Connect, and then once you've connected, then you do a login here, and it sends you a transaction. It doesn't cost any algos, and you just sign the transaction verifying ownership of the wallet for security. Now you're in the game here. I can't do anything because I didn't get a whitelist NFT, which would have been claimed apparently in the top right corner according to their Discord. If you did, I'd love to hear what you think about the game, if you've been able to play the first mission, the beta mission. But there's a few things you can do here. You can buy characters. There'll be character packages upon launch that you can buy. They got this shiny mode, which changes color, I think. I don't know what else it does, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you've got all your inventory management, your creatures, and you can go on missions, the missions that I think it'll be the missions they're on, and the ones that are injured, and then all of them. So there's that little window here, and then here's your missions. This is the one I can't play right now. Apparently it's a 4-hour mission that you play. But in here you'll be able to see, like, your available creatures, which ones are out on missions, what missions have been completed, and then claim. So yeah, so lots of stuff you can do here. Again, I didn't get the whitelist. I wish I had. This is really cool. Actually, probably one of the coolest games I've seen on Algorand so far. I'm really excited to play this thing once it goes live and show you what all you can do here. But yeah, the artwork, man, is just fantastic. And you know, one of my biggest complaints about games is that they're so complex to learn, and you start out and there's like 1,000 menu options and all these different rules and different specs and different characters, and you have to learn all of it, and it just becomes so overwhelming to learn the game, to get everything figured out, just so you can start enjoying it. And this really looks like something that you can just jump into and really have fun right from the get-go. And so I'm excited about this, and I wanted to just give you guys this quick show and tell of this game today. Not a long video. It's my second video today, but I saw this and just wanted to show it to you guys. Again, the game is called Yuoku, and check it out. Follow them on X. Follow their Discord server here, and I'm also going to post a link to the Discord server on X here in a bit after the video. And anyways, lots of cool stuff, guys. And you know, if you had a chance to play it, comment below. Let me know what you thought about the gameplay and how much you like it or don't like it. But hopefully it's good. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye.